Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Google app on your iPhone and signing into your Google account. This gives you search history and personalized results. Once done, grant microphone and location permissions so voice and local results work. Make sure to add the Google Quick Search widget to your home screen for immediate access. You're not changing Safari defaults here, you're creating the fastest path to Google itself. This initial setup saves time and unlocks features you'll use every session. Next, use the app to perform searches, voice queries, and visual lookups. Tap the bar or press the microphone and speak. Voice queries are faster for hands-free tasks and complex commands. Use Google Lens to point your camera at text, products, or plants to get instant results. This is faster than typing and more accurate for images. Make sure to switch tabs like Images or Maps to narrow results. You'll learn why each mode returns better answers for different needs as you finally personalize settings so Google matches your preferences and privacy needs. Change search language, enable voice match, and confirm account sync. If results feel incorrect or features stop working, first check network, microphone, and camera permissions, then clear the app cache or reinstall the Google app. If voice or lens still fails, toggle location services and restart the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: granting or revoking microphone and camera permissions is often the single fix that restores voice search and lens functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.